Hello kids, let's learn colors name sky blue, light green, pink, dark pink, purple, orange, brown, yellow, dark green, grey and blue colors. So kids, let's start coloring 2D shapes. 2D shapes. So in this video we will cover rectangle, circle, heart, parallelogram, triangle and rectangle. So I hope you will like this video and you will enjoy this video. So please don't forget to subscribe our channel for watching more videos. Till then, enjoy this video.